description.
Well, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what you can be doing with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came by way of James, Lakeside, California. Always sending me rad stuff. Thanks, man. This is there you go. 3 Mien Thai shrimp. So it's like 3 minutes, but Mien is noodle, so it's like 3 noodle. I don't know. Made in Vietnam, packaged for the U.S. sales. So, yeah. It's Monday, the 11th day of August 2025. This is now what we call the dog days of summer. We've got a super hot warning for the next 2 days. I think it's going to be hot on Wednesday too. Comes with a folding fork. Ooh. Pardon me. The folding fork broke a little bit. That's not a standard thing. I'll have to make a note of that or not. I mean, I could. I don't know that that's all that noteworthy. Although it kind of is, because that like never happens. They fold and they go click, and that's that. However, when it kind of bent, but then again, it did go click, and it seems to be just fine. So I guess we're good. So what's going on? Things and stuff. I don't know. Here's our liquid, and we are going for 3 minutes. A lot of weird stuff going on right now in the news, but I don't know. We've kind of gotten burnt on the news a little bit, as it's just kind of rehash. The big thing right now, I guess, so it seems like our president just decides he goes on a tangent, and then he'll just go hot and heavy on that and then get bored with it and then not revisit it. Currently, the thing he's into right now is taking over Washington, D.C., like the city of, yelling about the mayor, complaining that there were homeless people there. There's homeless people all over the United States. Instead of maybe doing something about it, he's just complaining and saying they all need to go away. Okay. Well, where? Where are you gonna send him, dude? What are you gonna do? And now he's got like FBI officers, which generally do like, it's the Federal Bureau of Investigation. You know, they're not beat cops. Nothing bad about beat cops, but yeah, it's like they had to go to school. I mean, cops have to go to school. They have to go to like, isn't it the police academy? I don't know if it has the same guy who goes, but you know, that'd be rad if that was a class. But yeah, I think they're trained for things other than direct regular police officer stuff. I think it's a different deal. So I don't know. But I think probably what he's doing right now is really irritating a lot of people in law enforcement and in city government in Washington, D.C. And I want to alert you about something that Very obvious and very easy to see. I keep getting these things. Like I got one. Gavin Newsom is going to run for, he thinks he's going to be the next president. Do you agree? And then all of a sudden you look down, there's 20,000 comments. It was posted like a few hours ago. It automatically defaults, it seems like, to relevant, right? And they're all the same kind of thing. They're all negative. And then you switch it to newest. Then you start seeing people actually saying things. The prompt is AI. 90% of the comments are AI. Because if you look at relevant and scroll down a little bit and start making mental notes of what you're seeing, and you go to newest, you start seeing the exact same comments in there, just like slightly tuned differently. I think at this point it's safe to say that, you know, you can't trust anything that's on the internet as far as things like that. Especially Facebook. I don't know. It's really irritating. It's like I like information. I like good information, and it's very hard to come by these days, it seems like. But anyways, this looks to be a creamy tom yum. I'll try the noodle first. I know I like this noodle. It's funny, these are made with South Korean technology, which seems very ace cook. But those I think are made with Japanese technology? I don't know, their equipment comes from somewhere. I like the noodle. It's very bouncy. Very springy, very elastic. Now here's the broth. It is very creamy, like a creamy tom yum. That's tom yummy. Sure. So, many moons ago, in fact, 8 years ago, I tried my hand. I didn't really do much anything but approve things, kind of. So there was going to be a Ramen Raider noodle, and it was called, what was it, Supreme, the Ramen Raiders Supreme Tom Yum, Creamy Shrimp Tom Yum Noodle, or something like, I can't remember. It's been a while. Anyways, it turns out the guy that I was working with on it ended up taking, there was an investor, and he made the product, like the box of it was cardboard, but like literally the thinnest cardboard you could possibly even imagine. Right? So that was crummy, and then the product reacted with the packaging. My main thing was I wanted it to be not only, I didn't know if it was feasible, but I wanted it to be accessible for everybody. So I wanted it to be like, you know, halal. I wanted it to be possibly even vegetarian. I don't know, but I wanted to make it a product that anybody could try. And also able to be exported because, you know, I wanted people that I knew to be able to go around here in the US and go to the store and buy it. I thought that would be so cool. Well, it had chicken in it. The package said boil for 3 minutes. It took more like 10. And yeah, it just did not work out very well, which is too bad. But yeah, he took that guy's money and spent it on his stuff, and that was that. He seemed like a nice guy. We were really good friends too. It was really a bummer. But things happen. But oh well. So maybe someday I'll come up with Maybe there'll be another opportunity for such a thing. That'd be cool. Alright, well that is that for this one. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. This is a spicy beef variety by Baixiang out of China. I always really liked their products, except for the last one that I had of theirs, which was a creamy bulldog clone. That was a 0. But generally, stuff like this does really well. So we will check that out on the next episode. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.